on or your seats. Float valve. Here's your float valve. And make sure that little should press in. It's nice, good shape. Taper's nice and clean. However you look. It's kind of dull. That's the seat. And look at this one, how clean, shiny that one is. I'll show you how to clean those up. Polish them nice. Very easy. Any kind of metal polish. I'm using Noxon. Get your drill. Put a Q-tip at the end of your drill. And you dip in there. Okay. Right up in there. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to do this from here. Set that down. Clean one. Now look inside. Look how shiny that is in there. Dull. I'm going to do the other two. Just to show you that trick.